Health is the eternal pursuit of human beings, and innovation is the soul of enterprise development. Getein Biotech focuses on the R&D, production and sales of in vitro diagnostic products, and has become a Chinese leader in the field of point-of-care testing. Currently, there are near 2,000 staff working in Getein Biotech, and our distribution network covers over 110 countries and territories overseas, providing high-quality products and services for our users. We have developed 8 technology platforms, preliminarily realizing whole industry chain layout. Our product lines include POCT, chemiluminescence, clinical chemistry, coagulation, hematology, molecular diagnostics, urinalysis, quality control, and IVD raw material. POCT new product, Getein 1200 immunofluorescence quantitative analyzer, automatic sample mixing to avoid blood sedimentation, automatic sample tubes uncapping, adding sample with disposable tips to avoid cross-contamination. Chemiluminescence classic product, Magical 6800 chemiluminescence immunoassay analyzer. Using super paramagnetic nanoparticles and acridinium ester chemiluminescence technology, the test speed is up to 280 tests per hour. We also launched small-size chemiluminescence immunoassay analyzer, Magical 6000, test speed of which is up to 150 tests per hour. The product lines also include clinical chemistry test series, coagulation test series, urinalysis system, hematology test series, emergency and hematology test series, and series of quality control products and IVD diagnostic materials, covering fields of cardiovascular disease, inflammation, kidney injury, thyroid function, hormone, glycometabolism, cancer, hematology, infectious disease, etc., protecting and promoting human health. We currently serve more than 30,000 end users in China, and Getein JuniQ Hospital Quality Control Management System provides guarantee for accuracy and informatization of quality control for our end users. Getein Biotech has invested 1 billion RMB to build a 67,000 square meter ecological and innovative factory. Getein Biotech is committed to devoting to the medical diagnosis industry, expanding domestic and international exchanges and cooperation, caring about the society, passing on love and responsibility. Keeping moving forward, Getein Biotech is dedicated to becoming an international competitive biotech incorporation and contributing to people's health in the world.